Hello, I'm Sanjeev Bhatnagar. I came to Tirupati to just get my both the eyes treated here, and my both the eyes have been cataracted surgery done. Now earlier my both the eyes I was not really able to see it properly, but now I'm rather able to see it more than clearer, and this was a wonderful experience to be with the hospital. In terms of the service, I would like to say right from their leader, Dr. Motiyabind, she's a wonderful personality. She talks to the patient. She tries so that the patient do not feel it at all. And so this is really good to be under her treatment. Their staff, basically the staff at Tirupati Centre is very cooperative, and I really did not find any problem. And rather they were at the time they were very proactive as well, and the people at reception, people at the further in the right inspection, and their other centers and all, they're all very good, and I really feel very pleased about it, including the staff at reception, the person Rani who is taking this, so all are really very good. My rating for them is really very high, and I'm very much satisfied.